Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ZEN on keyboard and mouse in Fortnite. First, connect your ZEN device to your PC and console using the provided USB cables. Next, install the latest ZEN Studio software and update your device's firmware to ensure compatibility. Then, within ZEN Studio, carefully configure your keyboard and mouse settings, paying close attention to button mappings and sensitivity. Finally, optimize your in-game Fortnite settings for keyboard and mouse to complement your ZEN setup, aiming for a seamless experience. Once your ZEN is set up, it's time to choose a script. Browse the extensive library of Fortnite keyboard and mouse scripts available in ZEN Studio. Select one that aligns with your preferred playstyle, whether you favor aggressive pushes or precise long-range engagements. After selecting, adjust the script's parameters, such as anti-recoil strength, aim assist intensity, and rapid fire rates to your liking. Remember to test these settings thoroughly in a private match to find your perfect balance before jumping into live games. Now, let's talk about in-game optimization. It's crucial to understand how your chosen ZEN script interacts with Fortnite's unique building and combat mechanics. Dedicate time to practicing with your script, allowing your muscle memory to adapt to the enhanced controls. Make small, incremental adjustments to your in-game sensitivity and dead zones to achieve optimal responsiveness. Focus on maintaining consistent aim and fluid movement, letting the script augment your natural abilities rather than replace them entirely for peak performance. For advanced users, explore modifying existing scripts or even creating your own for truly personalized control. However, always be mindful of fair play guidelines and community expectations. The goal of using ZEN should be to enhance your existing skills and improve consistency, not to gain an unfair or unsportsmanlike advantage over other players. Regularly update your ZEN firmware and scripts to benefit from the latest improvements and ensure continued compatibility with Fortnite's updates, keeping your setup fresh and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.